Hi guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman, doing a walkthrough video on this new in stock 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 230. We got this one in the ceramic white color paired with the black accent stripe. You see you got the fiberglass finish on the front, extra luxurious touch, love that look. This one's got the powder coated fencing on it. You got a full power arch. We got the ion tower on this one. You got illuminated panels on the inside, great sun coverage with the Bimini top. Just a great all-around boat, the upper end of the spectrum here. Moving around to the back, show you some of the features here. This one comes with the new lily pad ladder. This thing is awesome. It's a great upgrade. You got a nice angle of entry going in. You got extra wide steps. Really helps out for dogs trying to get in as well. I know people like that. No more reaching down underneath the boat to get it in. You got this tether here. Pull it up, lock it in, and you're ready to go. Super slick. This one we paired with the 350 Mercury outboard here. You got the white motor cowling, looks really fresh. Something a lot of people overlook too is these safety railings on the back. You got a dedicated spot for your fender. No more trying to jam them underneath the seat. They're just out and ready to go. And then you got these chains that hook across that make this rear-facing position legal while you're underway. It's a great touch of this boat. We'll hop in the inside, look at some of the features on the inside. All right, hopping onto the inside of the boat here. First thing you're gonna notice is this massive lounger, super comfortable, very spacious. A lot of different configurations with this thing too. First I'm gonna point out you got your extra stereo head back here, control your music, your volume. You do have a 12 volt here. You also have a USB and USB-C charger. Plenty of cup holders here, all LED illuminated. You also see we got the Harris badging back here, and you got transom speakers back here as well. JL audio throughout this boat. Before I show you the functionality of this lounger, I want to show you some of the storage. You got a built-in cooler here on the back corner, great access for your sandbar or swimming. You can reach right in, get your drinks. You got extra storage underneath these back cushions. You got your subwoofer here mounted to the floor. Like I said, great sound stage on this boat. That communicates through to the front. I'll show you that in a second. Another point here is all these seats, you have this, you can flip that flat. All of these will be a full lounger forward at whatever position you want to seat at. So it's really customizable. All right, swing it around to the inside. You'll see this will tip back this will go all the way flat actually. You can pull that cushion insert out. This will go flat. You can also tip it back the other way, so when you're seated forward, you got a comfortable spot to be. Again, more storage throughout. You got storage underneath these seats, extra cup holders, some more chargers over here, flip down armrests, stainless steel insert for your cup holder. This seat back will flip out. You have dedicated space for your trash can. Nobody has to get up and out of their seat to throw stuff away. Moving over to the helm. Love this helm. You got the elevated floor, extra cutout for your feet, stretch out. Tall people, it's very comfortable. This one comes with the Tech 2 package. You get the twin sim rads, 7-inch touchscreen on both. A lot of times you like to put your maps on one side, your gauge clusters on the other. No analog gauges, just a clean face there. It looks really, really good. Do have your JL audio, stereo head here, conveniently placed. Bluetooth connectivity, just hook up and go. This captain's seat's gonna swivel, slide, and recline. You got some of your default gauges over here, like your lighting, your up and down for your power tower that I mentioned. You also have a digital throttle here equipped on this boat with the 350. Push button start, you got active trim. Very, very inclusive with its features there. Moving on up to the front. Actually, before we move to the front, I want to show you this kick-up table. It's an option we go with a lot. Awesome to put snacks on, drinks, put a little spread for lunch. Moving up forward, you'll see we have this one with the in-floor storage. Largest in-floor storage in the industry. You got a bilge pump down there. You got a light so you can see all your stuff. Moving on up, we got benches on either side. You got storage underneath. All the storage underneath the seats are going to be water managed with the track, so all your stuff stays dry on the inside. Again, you got flip down armrests on either side. Plenty of cup holders, more chargers, chargers on either side, some more speakers. It's a great spot to hang out and conversate. If you guys like this boat, we'd love to see you here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Visit us online or give us a call. Hope to see you here soon. Thanks.